Hey everyone, it's Katie and I'm back with another video. So for this video, I decided to show you guys my everyday makeup routine. I will do typically when I don't have a lot of time in the morning and I'm rushing out the door to get to school or appointments or whatever, but this is going to be more so a realistic everyday makeup routine because I literally never have time to do like everything. Good news is Christmas is coming up super quickly. Here where I live already there's snow, so that's crazy, and it's definitely getting me in the mood for Christmas, and I will be filming Christmas videos, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Before the makeup tutorial, I just want to say I'm not a beauty guru. If you're a beauty guru and you're watching this tutorial, you're probably like, oh my gosh, you're not doing anything right. Please don't judge me. This is just what I do, what works for me. I guess it's kind of just depends on what works for you. And this video is not sponsored by any brands that I use in this video. Anyways, let's get right into the makeup tutorial. I'm gonna start off by putting on my Pore Professional pore primer. Put it all over my face because I have a lot of pores I need to be covered up. I will put a little bit on my finger like that, and then mostly I will put it on my forehead. Put some on my nose because I find the nose has like the most visible blackheads and gross stuff. On my chin, I literally didn't grab anything. And then if I have some left over, like I might put some like on my cheeks if I like notice a pimple or anything. Take my foundation, which is the Sephora 10 Hour Wear Perfection Foundation in the shade 14 Light. Start off by putting a bit on my hand. Then I use my e.l.f. foundation brush, and then I will start applying that to my face. I also put some foundation on my neck just to kind of sort of blend out what I have on my face and my neck so I don't kind of look really odd. So now I'm going to take my CoverGirl Clean Matte Concealer in the shade Light, and I'm going to put this under my eyes right there, and then I will go, and in case there's like any prominent pimples like this one that decides that covering up with foundation it is not good enough, I will put some concealer on some pimples. Go ahead and use my beauty blender and blend away. Okay, so once my concealer is done, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some contour, but for contour I use bronzer because I'm cheap and I cannot afford a contour palette. So I use the Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Light. I was gonna get the Hoola Original, but it was sold out. My luck. I'm gonna put some on the brush, and then I'm gonna like tap it a little bit because you gotta get the excess off. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put it on like my upper jawline. So then once I finish doing that, I'm gonna take my complexion brush and kind of blend it in so it's not like super choppy. The next step is I'm going to take my Smashbox Photo Finish Lid Primer, and I'm going to put this on eyelids. Some days I will put on like a little bit of eyeshadow or whatever, but those are days when I have time in the morning, but most days I really do not have time in the morning. I wake up late, I sleep in. Bleh. Anyways, so next thing I'm gonna do is put on mascara, but before I put on mascara, I need to curl my lashes. So I'm gonna take my Revlon lash curler and curl them. My lashes are all curled. It's time for mascara. So I'm going to use my Rocket Volume Express mascara from Maybelline and just put that on my top and bottom lashes. So as my lashes are done, I will, depending on the day, I will put on a little bit of lipstick or lip gloss. Today, I'm feeling it. So I'm going to put on my Burt's Bees lipstick in the shade Carolina Coast. And then, once all of that is done, I will take my Younique Behold setting spray. I found this at like an Etsy market. And it works really well. Then I will spray this. And boom! It's my everyday makeup look. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to go give this video a thumbs up and make sure to go subscribe to my channel. You just gotta click that button right down below, and if you would like, you can put on my post notifications. You just gotta click that bell button and you'll be notified for every single time I post a video. Make sure you go follow me on all my social medias, especially my new Twitter account. Both of those links will be in the description below, so make sure you go tap those follow buttons. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! You know how some people just don't blend their contour and it looks like kind of sort of weird? Yeah.